Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to link your auto seller account to your Shopify store using M2E. First, log into your Shopify admin. In the left panel, click on Settings, then select Apps. Now, in the top right corner, click Shopify App Store. Use the search bar to type in OTTO. You'll see OTTO Market by M2E. That's the application you need. Click on it and hit Install. Then, confirm permissions and click Install one more time. The app will be added to your Shopify admin in a few seconds. Now, let's set up your M2E account. If you already have one, just log in. If not, click Register Now and fill in your details. This creates your profile on M2E accounts. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions, check the agreement box, and click Create Account. Next, you'll need to link your OTTO account. Click Connect Marketplace Account, choose Connect New Account, then hit Connect. Enter a relevant title for your account, something like My Auto Store, then click Connect. You'll be redirected to the OTTO Partner Portal to authorize the connection. If you're not already logged in, enter your OTTO credentials. Once authorized, you'll be brought back to the app. And if everything is correct, your OTTO account is now linked. That's it. You're now on a 30-day free trial. Follow the app's setup guide to configure your products, inventory sync, and order settings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.